Hi, today I have another interesting thing for you. This is a military computer which was manufactured by GEC Marconi. It is a part of the BMET system. As indicated here, this is a meteorological computer. It permits the measurement of various parameters like air density, direction and strength of wind, and so on in order to optimize the cruise of a missile. On the front, there are several connectors. There are two connectors here, RTH20 and RT20, which are supposed to be connected to sensors. There is a calibration connector here. There is a power supply connector. And on the left there is a test connector here. And there are two output connectors, data 1 and data 2. And here there are some LEDs for byte function. This thing is a heavy item, approximately 15 kilos, but I think that most of the weight is due to the enclosure. First, let's open this thing to see what is inside. Okay, so there is a kind of rack inside. There are several boards. And here a power supply. Okay, so let's see the first board here. Okay, look at that. Look at the size of this deep package. Okay, so this one is a microprocessor ATC186. Okay, so there is a 16 bits bus. This is why there are two EEPROMs here. One for the low bytes, the second one for the high bytes. Okay, and there is a MAT coprocessor here, ATC187. And there are here two small programmable devices. There are two clock oscillators. Okay, and here we have 4 SRAMs. And here there is a Dallas part DS1216. So I think this is a real-time clock. It's probably a battery under this part here. There are two EEPROMs here. Okay. Okay, so this is a 6 layers board. You can see the numbering here. And we can see also the very nice ground connection here for EMC purposes. Very nice board. Okay, so this is the second one. This one is full of SMD parts. Okay, on that board there is another ATC186. And there are various parts on that board. There is a Maxim part, Max 291. There is a 4051. This is an analog multiplexer 8 to 1. Let's see the third board. Okay. So there is a processor here, ATC188. So there is here a part, I think it's flash memory, but I am not sure. It's SCC2692. There is an Altera CPLD here. EPM. Something I cannot read. This is a part from SMC, I don't know. And there is another CPLD. Okay, so these two parts are flash memories 28F001. There are also some parts on the other side. Okay, there is nothing inside. Okay, so this is a very nice design with a serious case. The number of screws is incredible. Okay, we can see the pass-through capacitors here. Okay, so here we have several TVS diodes. And there is another one here, so this is the input power supply. And there is a small PCB here for the LEDs. Okay, so some parts are not populated. And this is a very nice construction. Okay, so we can see something strange. We can see that the on-off switch is missing here. So the on-off switch should be connected to these wires, which are desoldered actually. The on-off switch was actually desoldered. Okay. Okay, so this is a DC-DC converter. Okay, the input voltage is 15 to 70 volts. And the output voltages, you can see the ratings also 5 volts, 4 amps, and 2 times 15 volts. Okay, so this is a very beautiful power supply. There is a conformal coating on the boards. The capacitors are from Nichicon. 105 degrees temperature. This power supply was obviously designed specifically for this device. There is a specific part here. Okay, so let's see if we can remove the top board here. Okay. There are two ribbon cables here for the interconnection. Okay, we can see more details. So this seems to be a hybrid circuit. Some SMD parts are soldered on a ceramic substrate. Okay, it is also the case for this one here. This is a complex construction. This is a very nice power supply. That's all for this meteorological computer. Thank you for watching and see you next time for another video. Bye bye.